Hey guys, welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester, and today I'm gonna explain how you can be part of my social trading and my signals group here on the Next Way Trading. So I'm gonna share with you how you can be part of this. I'm gonna explain the process we need to pass to join us and how we generate profits together with this platform. So let's rock with this video. So as you know, I like to trade a lot with binary options. So I have my process, I have my strategy, and I have a few years trading with binary options. So the thing is here, I'm gonna share with you this signals group because we are gonna have a signals group here, but this is a social trading too when you can be join us. And the platform we using is Discord. This is the platform we are going to use right now. This is the people are inside of this social trading. We have binary signals and forex signals, and where then they share with us the results have with this social trading and copy and signals group we have with the Next Way Trading channel. So this is the results from yesterday. You can see it here. This person made a lot of money with us, and this another guy made a lot of money with us, and this another guy, and this another guy making a lot of money. And the process is simple. I have a social trading VIP. You can ask me using Discord by email too, and I'm gonna answer you or leave your comments below in this video. And I have my social trading VIP. But plus, I'm gonna have a signals group for binary options where you can take the signals in the same time, just like me. For example, in this case, if I share my strategy, my screen here in this channel, like binary options trades, I'm gonna share my screen and you can see the same charts that I'm gonna take it in the moment that I decide to trade, and you can follow me with my trades. This is simple. This actually is very simple to understand and how to trade with this strategy for binary options. For example, I take it right now, the trade, you search it and trade. But I'm gonna tell you too, previous to start my trading session, I'm gonna trade right now using this pairs. Almost the time I trading with the OTC because are the best currents, the best payouts with in this hour actually. Right now are 1 GMT of the clock. I like trading this hour. For me, it's 7 of the clock. So I understand many of you wake up early to take in these trades right now. So for example, these personas are wake up right now early to follow these trades with me. So this is part or a sacrifice we need to do if you want to generate profits or be a writable trader with binary options. We had this one out the money. Damn. Okay, it's okay. Let's go to recover that trade. I'm gonna use this strategy to take in my signals to trade and generate increase my balance, and you can follow the same time that I'm gonna send to you this trades. So what is the price? How much you need to pay for this type of service? Well, we are gonna have a price, and eventually I'm gonna have a website where you can pay out with your credit or debit card too. You can use USDT to make your payout with us. Let's go to it. We need to have a confirmation. And I think this is our opportunity. Let's go to it to see how and then this trade. So the payout is going to be $50 per month. This service is going to be per month. So to receive the signals and different schedules, because we are going to have different admins to to copy the trades with different admins, the same strategy or another strategy, or my schedule to, you need to pay $50 per month to be part of this type of service with me. Simple like that. We are gonna trade for, I don't know, 30 minutes, 1 hour maybe, but like the idea is be writable and profitable in a few minutes with this strategy and another strategies we have for binary options. Copy my trades. Simple like that. So if you want to be part of this, leave your comments below in this video. Please send to us your information. Let's say I want to be part of this. You can join us on Telegram and Discord too. We have different channels to be part of this. And this is the first 3 trades. We have 2 in the money, 1 out the money. This is a real time. They are taking my signals right now. Let's go to wait to see how ending. I like this. Let's go to see the stochastic. Have a little reverse. No? Okay, let's go to wait to see how ending. The stochastic is gonna tell us if it is a profitable trade or not. This is the strategy they always share with you in my videos, but right now you can follow me live on Discord, the voice channel. You can follow me live with these trades. We are gonna have a schedule. We are gonna have a good hour to trade and follow these trades live. Maybe you take it a few seconds, 2 seconds later, but you're gonna have in the money to the same trade. So let's go to check it out. Why did it say 3? And they follow these trades. They are following me right now, these trades. This is the chat room, but we have a live too. Maybe I'm gonna take it that for 2 times, but was my mistake. No, this is the one. No, and I'm only trading with the OTC. Taking too high, but let's go to wait. See how it ended. Oh, look at this. Looking the stochastic, looking good. Let's go to wait to see how it ended. Four and 1. We have a great results right now. Let's go continue. If I have another out the money, I'm gonna stop it. This is looking good. I don't know if I enter right now. Let's see the stochastic. The stochastic is gonna tell me enter. No. The stochastic is the man here. Let me cross it. Let's go to wait for the stochastic. And you can see this, waiting for this. And trading on the same time like me. This is looking good. Maybe have another reverse. No. But we trade right now for put. We have the confirmation. And if I have this out the money, I'm gonna stop it. Come on, too much. But we still have profits. No, too high. Let's go. Come on. Oh, damn it. I think it's too high. Maybe. Come on. Yes, this is the beauty of this strategy. 5-1. Okay, guys, if you want to join us, remember $50 by Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and you can write me using the links below in this video. You can leave your comments too if you want to join us with this $50 per month in the month of July. Okay, let's go check it out. Share your results. Final one. Let's go to it. Then it's gonna share the results, and we are gonna see if they make money. One more. Let's go check it. One more trade. I want to have one more trade. Maybe enter too late with this. Maybe not. Come on, doesn't move. This is the last trade. What the hell? I'm gonna refresh this. Come on! No, guys, this is live. What's in the money? Yes, what's in the money? I'm gonna stop right now. I think it's too much. 6-1. It's all for me. Look at this. This is the thing that I say. Okay, this is the results. It only have 5. Don't have the last one. Share your results, guys. Come on. Money rain. That's it. This is the results that I'm telling you. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. I'm gonna share the results on Instagram too and Telegram, and they are gonna share their results here in the chat room. And was amazing trading session today with me. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I was thinking the same. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and I leave $50 to this is $50 per month. Okay, $50 per month. This guy recovered that in the first trades in one day, in one trading session, because I have 2 trades sessions with this signals group. You are the king, the binary investor. Thank you. I'm killing everything. I hope this video like it. I really hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.